Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Breville. This came in with a little flow issue and low steam. We put on a new pump, a little inline filter, solenoid valve. Let's try a double shot here. We've got the grinder pretty tight, some test beans. I'm going to try a double shot here. Let's see if we can get There we go. We didn't do anything to the programming. I did increase the shot a little bit. There we go. I think a tighter tamp might have got it up a little bit more, but that's in the range. Let's try the steam here. Oop. Nice strong steam, nice and fast. Well, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you very much.